Hi everyone who watching this video. So basically we are dismantling MSI CX61 laptop, which is motherboard is i5 4th gen, NVIDIA GeForce 940M has. So basically I just count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 screws so far. I do apologize, I missed one, right? And undo them, screws, and gently release motherboard, because they on clips, on these kind of clips. So sorry. So put this one there. This one there. This one there, and one hidden screw up there in the bottom, and one screw is just there in the corner, or you can see that just there in the corner, and these on clips. So let me gently clip this part. Let me show it closer. This little part, that's it. It clicks. It releases the motherboard. So another part out, which is healthy enough for sale. So all these parts will be available on my shop or my eBay shop, where as I said in previous video, eBay downgraded my account, and I only can sell in from eBay into UK. So all over the sell in other places in all over the globe, I can only do it from my personal website, which will be in a description down below. So if you're gonna flip a motherboard like that, there will be other ribbon cables. Just be careful. You can use your nails. I have no nails, but I still can do it. So pull from a side gently, and it's come out. 1, 2. So here's power cable, nicely done with from MSI. It's not gonna release it, and just make any faults. So slightly, little bit, just push it back, because somebody might need it to glue it back. So pull that cable out of there gently, and it's come out. Look, perfectly fine. So screen cable, it has little metal holder there, clip, and it's if you put your nail on it, pull corner, and it's come out easily like that. So basically, I never sell motherboard with Wi-Fi card on, and this is exceptional, but this time I am not selling it. So I'm taking apart and selling as is. You see yourself, it works perfectly fine. I tested. I will clean it before I put in an anti-static bag, which is I will show you in a minute. It's just like that, but I need to clean it before I put it into that bag. So if you want to support this channel, please support me, or if you want to be my sponsor to open my own physical shop, so drop me a message, or either way, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Till next time.